Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you skin retouching technique in Photoshop. So keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. It's only for learning. First open your Photoshop, then open your desired photo. Click on the file option at the top left corner. Click on the open option. Select photo. Open. Select position. Click on the layer icon. From right side, click on this create a new layer icon. Select zoom tool for zooming. Now select the brush tool. Click on the brush preset icon. In here select a brush. Increase hardness 10 or something. If you want, select brush size from here. Now brush on your all skin. I am selecting all skin. After selecting, click on the normal option, from layer panel. In here select soft light. Now select the eraser tool, from the left panel. Now click on the layer icon, select all layer. Right-click on the layer option, select merge layer option. Click on the image option. Click on the auto turn option. Again click on the image option. Select auto contrast. Again click on the image option, select auto color option. Now copy this layer. Now click on the adjustment icon. Select brightness option. Increase some brightness and contrast. Now save your file, save as. In here you can see my old image, and the new image. So I hope you enjoy this simple video. Share this video with your friends want to know best skin retouching technique in Photoshop. If you have any question let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel please subscribe our channel for more Android tutorials videos, and thumbs up like button.